it's She. I'm back today with another video. So I have a treat for you guys today. Today I'm going to be doing a thrift store haul. And so before I get started with the haul, every time I record, here she goes. So before I get started with this haul, what I'm going to be doing, guys, is I'm going to show you Oreo. Before I get started with this haul, guys, I have to tell you a little bit of backstory as to why I'm buying all this crap from the thrift store all of a sudden. Because I know people are like, what is going on? When did she start doing thrift store hauls? So anyway, guys, I am getting a booth at an antique mall. And so I love flipping furniture. I absolutely love like making old furniture come to life. I really love like the French provincial style, and I love pieces that have like carved details and just are unique. And I find these deals for really good prices all the time, but the problem is I don't have anywhere to store them. And then also I was relying on Stop Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp for my leads, and I just am getting to a point where I don't want people to keep coming to my house. Like, it was cool when it was one piece there or two pieces here, you know, but now it's just getting to the point where it's like I need to have a stall. And also I don't want to have to spend so much time like interacting with people. And I know that sounds bad, but you know, at antique malls what happens is there's employees that work there on site, and so whenever somebody comes to my stall and they see something that they like, they just take it up to the front and the people like check it out for them. So I'm super excited about getting this booth, guys. Once I actually get in there and start renovating, I am going to be recording videos. That way you guys can see how I decorate it. And then I'll be doing thrift store hauls once a week, so that way you can see all the different products. I'll also be doing DIYs to show you how I am going to revamp the pieces for sale. So I hope that you guys love the changes that will be coming to my channel in 2020. And without further ado, let's get started. So guys, all of the advice that I saw online about an antique booth is that you need to have smalls, and smalls are just cute little trinkets that people can add to their cart for like $5 to $10, $20. And the guy told me basically that smalls are how you pay your rent and my furniture would be my profit. So I decided in my booth I wanted to feel like my home, so I'm gonna really invest a little money making it nice. And anyway, the first piece that I got was this little photo frame, and I got it from Goodwill. It was only $3.25. So what I love about it is it has the little bird details and it's pretty heavy. I love the carving on it. So what I plan on doing with this is just spray painting it probably white. And then I'm gonna go ahead and maybe, I'm not sure what I'm going to price this for. So guys, also y'all can help me out with that by leaving it down in the comment section below, like how much you think I should price stuff for. So anyway, not really sure, but it was $3.25. I'm sure I could sell it for at least $12 to maybe even $15. Second thing I got, guys, actually this was the first thing I saw when I went in the thrift store, is this mirror. How freaking amazing is this? I thought it was nice. And I really don't think it needs anything done to it. It's very beachy. I live in Virginia Beach, so we're like a coastal city, you know, it's beachy. It has like a light colored wood, and then the little circles like have like a whitewash tone to them. So this mirror was only $6.25. Guys, look how big it is. Like, someone is gonna buy this for a good amount. So I'm thinking that maybe I'll charge $30 to $40 for this one. Do y'all think that's a good price? And also comment down below, do you think I should do anything to it? And again, this was $6.25. Next, guys, I'm going to show you some fabric. So I actually picked up two dresses from the thrift store. They both were $2.98. So this one, it just has like a cool geometric pattern to it. And what I would like to do is basically use it to cover some upholstery pieces. So as I find chairs, I would just take this fabric and use my staple gun to reupholster it. And I thought this would be so pretty, like to paint a chair in this aqua kind of color and then steam it and use it as a seat cover. So what do you guys think about that idea, and what do you think of the colors? So $2.98, you really can't beat that for fabric. At the fabric store, something like that would be a lot more expensive. So guys, I'm gonna cut this dress up, and I know people aren't gonna be happy about it, but I got this dress as well for $2.98. It's an extra large, and it still has the tag on it. It's from Ross. Really cute. It's in like this orange, red, corally color. In my house now, it's actually reading more orange. In the store, it looked more red. But it has this beautiful detailing on it, and I bought a chair today, which I'm going to show you guys. I'm actually going to be covering the seat with this, and the material is very, very thick. So I'll be able to cut this dress in half, and I'll be able to cover this chair that I got today with it, and then also I'll be able to use the other side for fabric on another project later. So comment down below if you guys want to see me do that. The next thing I got, guys, were these sconces, and there's two of them. I'm only gonna lift one of them up because they're kind of heavy. These were, I got both of them for $3.25, and they're in perfect condition. The only thing that needs to be done is just like they need to be cleaned because they're kind of dusty. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably leave them as is, and if not, I'm gonna just take some white chalk paint and kind of gently brush it into the crevices to make it look a little bit more stylish. But honestly, they really don't need anything done to them, but I think adding the white will make it appeal to more buyers, because a lot of people in this area like light and beachy kind of stuff. So yeah, $3.25 for the two of those. And I think sorry, I had to delete some footage. I ran out of storage, so the camera is kind of wobbly. But anyway, selling the two of them whitewashed as a set, I believe I can get $20 to $25 for them, and I only paid $3.25, so I'm super excited about that. Alright guys, so next I got this cute little like cake stand. And so what I'm going to be doing in my booth is I'm going to style items, because a lot of times people see items and say, oh wow, that's really cute, and they don't really know what to do with them. So I'm not sure what I'm going to place on this, but I think what I'll probably do is spray paint it white, just so that it'll appeal to more buyers. And I kind of want to keep everything like light and bright within my booth, but I'll find something really cute to display inside of here. I think this would be cute for jewelry, nice to store your perfume bottles, or even I don't know, if you wanted to, you could put a dolly on top and then put like little cupcakes on a counter. I mean, there's so many different uses for this, and it was $3.25, so I believe I can get about maybe $15 for it, or $12, which is a pretty good profit. So I really thought this was nice. What I'm gonna have to do is like visit more like antique malls and look at other people's pricing to kind of see if I'm on the right track. And I don't want to focus too much on having a ton of small stuff, but I also, like a 10 by 10 booth, I'm gonna need smaller pieces to kind of fill the space in. I don't want to just have furniture and not really have other things, you know. So I have a ton of pillows in my house I need to get rid of. I'm gonna put some of those in the booth to kind of style things, and also to help get them out of my house. But anyway, so I think this tray will be really cute on top of a table. I'm not gonna paint it because I think it's in great condition. It was only $3.25. I really love that chevron pattern on the inside. And this actually came from Hobby Lobby. It has a sticker on the back, so it was $13.99. Somebody sent this to the thrift store. It's in perfect condition, so I'm thinking about pricing it at probably $15 as well. So next, guys, I got some wall art, and I thought this wall art was perfect. It didn't need anything done to it. It has some little pins in here. So I think what I will do is probably pin some like business cards or something. So this was only $3.25. I love the fact that it has the antique script writing in the back. It's hung by this little string, like this little antique style ribbon. And then it's like a pin cushion, so you can like pin little notes and things. So I think what I'll probably do, just to let people know that that's what it's for, is like take a cute picture of something, maybe print a picture of a dog or something from the internet and just have it pinned here, so that people will know that that's what this is for. But I thought this would be cute to do like a little wall display in my booth, because I want to have wall art and different things that people can be inspired by to decorate their space. So $3.25, and I probably will try to sell this for like $15–20. Guys, I got this jewelry box from Goodwill. I was bragging to my best friend about it. I was like, girl, I found this cherry wood jewelry box at the thrift store for $3. And girl, I'm sorry, it was $5.25. But that is still amazing because I know I can get like $40 for this. And it has a little bit of damage on the inside. So like this part, it doesn't have hooks or anything on this side. But that can easily be remedied. Like if I wanted to, I could easily find like a strip to put in here and then attach hooks. So just a little piece of wood and attach hooks to it. Use some E6000 glue to apply that. Thing I noticed that on these two outer pieces, the hooks are actually gone. But I can easily get a piece of wood from the craft store and apply some hooks, and bam, we got a functional jewelry box. It has a mirror in the top, guys. Nothing's wrong with the mirror. It even came with this paper inside, okay? So like nothing is wrong. It's super clean in here. Super whoa, super clean. It has all of the drawers attached to them. None of them are stained. Nothing is missing. I'm not gonna paint it. It's for me, it's just no reason to paint this. Some little old lady will walk through, see this jewelry box, and wants to have it in her possession. So in order to make sure somebody will pay the $40 or $50, whatever I decide to price it at, I'm gonna make sure I remedy this situation so that someone can hang their necklaces inside of it. If you guys have any comments or suggestions on what I could do, make sure you leave them down below. Guys, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to show y'all how my booth is gonna be. So next, guys, I found these mirrors. These were two for $5.25 and they are super heavy. They are metal mirrors and I got two of them and they are hideous right now, aren't they? They are ugly as crap. You guys know I love me some mirrors. But these are super adorable. What I'm going to be doing is taking some painter's tape and taping the mirror off, covering it. And I'm going to spray paint them. I'm thinking white so that way it can appeal to multiple buyers. But I think even like a light blue would be pretty, a light pink. There's just so many different things I could do. But I'm thinking that I'm going to spray paint them white. That way they appeal to a lot of different customers. And so for two mirrors that are super nice and heavy, I think I will probably charge $30 to $40 for these. What do you guys think? $30 to $40 for these painted white? And what color do you guys think that I should do? And so I'm going to show you guys the last item. And I'm actually going to turn the camera around for this. I got this chair today, guys. My favorite thrift store has amazing furniture. So this is the chair that I got that I'm going to be covering with that orange or either the blue fabric. And it has like a rattan back to it. Now look at their tags. On their tags, they have dates. So if somebody were to purchase a chair between these dates, they would have paid $4.99. And if somebody was to purchase the chair like I did today, then I was only paid $2.99. So it does have a little bit of damage right here, but guys, that just adds to the character and to the charm. So I'm gonna paint this and I'm gonna reupholster the seat. It has beautiful curvy legs, and I think I'm gonna charge like $40 to $50 for it. That dress was $3 and then the chair was $2. So yeah, I'm super excited, guys. I cannot wait to get started, get my booth, get all this furniture out of my house, and I'm ready to create new content for you guys and show you how to decorate and restyle different furniture and accessories on a budget. If you want to see my restyled furniture, you can check out me on Instagram at Mizfashionablylate. You can check out my home staging and design company at Cozy Interiors by She on Instagram as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!